Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PRKR. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame thing as a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. A very crazy price movement today, and then to go along with the price movement, you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So definitely some updates here need to be made. And this chart's somewhat tricky to talk about because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there, or maybe you bought right there, and you wanted to sell within 25 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty bad. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, then yeah, I get it. There was a pretty big pullback here. But from the big picture, the bulls do still have an opportunity to build a higher base. And when you have higher bases being built over longer periods of time, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. I am going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you just had a different outlook and strategy going into the trade itself. And the level here that really does a good job of illustrating this is where the price just continued to go sideways all afternoon, right here at 92 cents. You can see just looks like about 5 or 6 separate occasions the bears try to press down through there, but the bulls continue to hold strong. And the reason why I'm still giving the bulls the benefit of the doubt, because something like this could happen. You know, there's no such thing as a guarantee, but from the big picture, price could, continue to go along like it's been and then start to work its way up there. So like I said, emphasis on big picture. So from the big picture perspective, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous base down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have big picture stair steps very clearly still progressing in the upwards direction. And that's name the game when you're looking at things from a grand scheme, viewpoint is the price making progress forward? And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying that phrase, making progress forward, as staying up above 92 cents. In the event the price, falls below this 92 cent level, or worse yet, continues to separate, at that point in time, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, that go back to where it all started, not exactly a sign of true strength. But as it stands right now, the bulls, like I said, still do have an opportunity to build a higher base. So we'll see if they can get that job done or not. But 92 cents, very important. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.